Hey guys, we're here at Deluxe Amplification checking out the new Anvil. There's not much to say about this. I'm just getting to know it, but it's a great sounding amplifier. Has two distinctly different sounding channels. A great sounding tremolo that's foot switchable, and it's got a VU meter. So who doesn't like a huge VU meter like this? So anyway, I'm just going to play a little bit and shut up. All right, we're going to go into channel 2. Channel 2 sounds quite a bit different. Nice big full open chords, sound really, really good straight into this thing. Let's go back over to compare it to the first channel. It's just a great sounding amp. This one feels, the first channel feels a little more articulate to me, while the second channel's got more of a brown kind of mushy, a nice, it's still articulate, but it's just a smoother, a little, I don't even know how to describe it. Very cool. Anyway, that's the Anvil from Deluxe Amplification. If you want any more information, then there'll be specs in the description. And it's just, this is stinking cool, guys. You need to get one of these.